Hey guys, today we've got a quick review of the Physio Wii. This is a 4G 2K HD solar camera. So I'm pretty excited to review this because a lot of cameras I've reviewed in the past have been 1080p cameras, and this is apparently 2K, which would make it much better quality than the ones I've been reviewing, and it's a pretty budget product. So let's see if there's anything else in here. We do have a mount, which is always nice. If you want to kind of install this on a fence post or something wooden, you can use this mount, and these are relatively easy to work with. We do have a micro USB cable here, some screws, and then our solar panel right here in the bottom. And now that I think about it, that mount is likely for the panel, not for the camera. So here we go, decent sized panel, nothing crazy. It is micro USB as well, and that should go somewhere into the camera itself. Looks like right here. Now big question is, does this already come with a micro SD card, or is that something that you have to purchase separately? And it looks like it already has a SIM in there. That's good, but it does not have the card in there just yet, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and close this back up for now. Right here we have a USB, which is where we plug in our charger from the solar panel. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now this is all IP67 waterproof rated. That's what all these gaskets are for. And then there's also a port right here, exit SPU. Curious what that is. These are hard to open, especially for a guy without fingernails. And that is some sort of, it looks like power plug, but we will leave that for now. And let's go ahead and turn this thing on. The power button is hidden under another gasket, so we got to pop that open. Switch that to on. And I'm gonna go ahead and download the app for this camera, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, quickly let's navigate through the app here. This is very similar to a lot of different other cameras I've looked into, like the Solium cameras. This app is basically the exact same. First thing you want to do, I did put an SD card in here, is format that SSD card. You can do it directly through the app, so that's good. I did turn off the cloud video storage. This is a LTE camera, so you don't need a Wi-Fi connection, though you do need to buy like a Wi-Fi or a LTE plan from the company, and I'm going to show you those prices here soon. They are a little bit steep, but if you need an LTE camera, then maybe that's something you're willing to pay. So I got the SD card formatted here. You can see the quality looks good there, but shortly you're going to see the quality in a blown up video, and it's definitely not ideal, and it makes it a little bit hard to recommend this camera. Here is the pricing of the plans. $170 for 12 months. It is an unlimited data plan, but for that, I think I would want to have a nice 4K camera if I'm going to be spending that much on data. So let's get into the video test. Testing. How is the sound on the camera?